Alright, so this is my string line. But I've got to get it off of here so I can put it on the surfboard. So I just pop this little rubber thing here. Okay, see that? And then what I can do is squeeze this together and I kind of twist it back and forth and then it pops off. So that's the way that works, right? Now I'm going to show you guys how to put, I'm going to put this camera in because I use this one and it's probably doesn't have a lot left on the battery. So I open up the top. Let me show you, this is how it works. Like that. Now I got to push this. I got to push this down. You see that? And then I just pop it. It opens. This one comes out, right? And then this one, you want to put it so the lens faces that lens right there. So I'm going to turn it this way, slide it in, close that, bring this around the back of it. Bob's your uncle, bam. And then to put it on the board, I'll show you guys how we do that. If you look on the board, this is on here with adhesive. And if you look on the bottom here, you've got your little clamp that slides in there. So you got to pop that, right? And then what you're going to do is you're just going to slide it on, just like that. And then once it's through, you just pop that down. Now to get it off, you pop it and push it. Oh shit, it popped right off. So that's how that works. You can see the bottom of it. Fits right in there. But to get it on, you got to push this up. And then once it's on, you lock it down by pushing that through. That's basically it. That's it right there. One more time so you guys can see. Slide it in. Bam. Get it out, push. And then it just pops. And that's it. Bam, Bob's your uncle. Now we're going to take this Wolfang 4K 24 megapixel camera out there and we're going to kick it out and see how it works.